this is the phone. Okay. Here we go. I'm gonna peel it off now. Oh my god. Okay. Yes. Do you see this? Oh my god. Okay, sir. Is there one on the back? Yes, there is. Oh my god. UmiDigi Link to the World. Powered by So here it comes with. So let's look at the phone. It says UmiDigi on the case. Not on the case. It says UmiDigi. Okay. It says hi there. Oh my god. No, you can't see him. Can it focus? Please. Okay. Well, it's blue and it says hi there. Yes. Oh my god. This is my phone. I get this. And it's like a notch at the top. And this. It's really comfortable in the hand. It's good. It has a fingerprint scanner right here. And here is the camera. What did it say it was? No, I didn't do that. I don't remember. But this is the case. Okay. Oh, that sound. So satisfying. Oh, I love that. So, here is the Smexy phone. Smexy! Yay! I'm so happy. Okay. Let's look at this. So, here, this is a thank you card from UmiDigi. It says, building a great phone is hard enough, so building a great phone on a budget should be infinitely more difficult. Big thanks to all who made the super phone super awesome by contributing value, time, and developing hardware, software, and other developments. Thanks for choosing UmiDigi products. Thanks to your support, our value can be realized, and we can constantly move forward to create smart devices with better user experience. So that was the thank you card. So this thank you card is the exact same size as the phone. So, yeah. But that is it. Okay, English. Canada. Okay. Oh, that was my first thought and unboxing of the UmiDigi A3 Pro.